Hello and welcome. This is Wendy. Today I am featuring the Timeless Tidings stamp set and making some really simple cards for you. So here is the first card. This is this beautiful set. You can get this set from me starting today with my class to go that I'm offering. So I'm going to be talking about my class to go while I'm creating these cards for you. I do want to mention right up front that you can shop with me at shop.levinstampin.com. You can also go over to my blog at levinstampin.com, click on blog, and there you will be able to sign up for my class to go. Okay, so right here I am stamping off once and then stamping on to the white cards piece here, card stock. And then I'm going to stamp in Mary Merlot, my sentiment, down at the bottom. And you can see there that I stamped right onto that Sahara Sand cardstock. The reason I did that is because I know it's going to get covered up with my designer series paper. I did run out of adhesive here. I had to change one real quick. FYI, I actually don't move this fast. I did speed this video up just a little bit because, frankly, I was lollygagging when I made this card, y'all. I was just kind of taking my time making these cards. I have two cards to show you today. So anyway, these cards are not part of my class to go, but these are what I'm calling add-on cards, meaning that these are additional ideas that you can do and use with my class to go. So it's the same designer series paper that I'm already using. It's the same stamp set that I'm already using in the class to go. So if you purchase my class to go, this gives you two more ideas that you could use with those same, pretty much the same types of products and colors, same ink pad, stuff like that. So in total, you'll end up with like 6 different ideas. So a little bit about my class to go, and I'm going to keep jumping back and forth between giving you tips on these cards that I'm making and telling you about my class to go. I release one every month. 2 of the cards are made by me. 2 of the cards are made by my fellow demonstrator, Katina Martinez, and she and I collaborated to create a class to go together. So there's one video that's provided with the class to go that's me, and it's making my 2 cards, and then there's video from her, and then we cut all of our own supplies to provide to you. So if you order it from me, you're going to get 2 of every project. There's 4 projects total, and that's featured over on my blog today. So if you want to see the 4 projects, the 4 cards, you can go over there and check those out. I'll link to it below this video, okay? So you can check them out there. This is Sahara Sand cardstock, by the way, that I'm putting down here. And it is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, I believe. My adhesive was just giving me nothing but trouble, so I ended up having to finish my card with mono adhesive. Every once in a while something like that happens, and it never fails that it happens on camera. That seems to just be my kind of look. So anyway, I'm layering this piece down, which is cut at, I think it's 3 3/4 by 5. Again, all the measurements are listed over on my blog. So if you want to see those measurements, you can go over there. Again, link is below. Back to the class to go. If you want to purchase my class to go, you have many options. You can purchase just the exclusive videos for $20, which rarely anybody does. You can purchase the videos and just the card kits, which there are 4 cards total, 4 designs, 2 of each. So you get 8 projects plus envelopes. So you have, when you're done, you can create 8 projects. So that's an option. And option 3 is to kind of customize your own class to go. If you want just the Timeless Tidings stamp set, or if you want just the Dashing Deer stamp set, or if you want both, or if you want the Dashing Deer bundle, I have lots of options for you to customize. I have a form that you fill out, so all you have to do is click, fill out that form, and then I invoice you through PayPal, and you make a payment through PayPal, and then when I've completed the ordering period, which ends November 13th, I place everybody's orders, I get everything, I package everything, and I mail it all out to you along with a link to all your exclusive videos, and your exclusive PDF reference guide. I will also be including this video as a special perk on that exclusive page. Even though this video is being made public, you could watch it anytime. I just think it's easier to have them all in one place. So this just gives you a couple more card ideas using that exact same stamp set. I know for me personally, I like to see how far my stamp sets can reach. Really quick, I want to share what I'm doing here. I'm making a rosette. I've scored this at the 1/4 inch mark, every 1/4 of an inch. And this piece of paper, I think, is cut at 1 1/4 inch by 12. Again, measurements are over on my blog, loveandstampin.com. Click on blog, or go to loveandstampin.com, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see a picture there of today's projects, and that gives you the clue that that's the one you need to watch. Okay, so quickly just putting this together. I actually don't end up showing you this all the way because I didn't have my hot glue gun out and this kept coming apart. You really need to use a hot glue gun when you make a rosette. So you're going to put hot glue there, you're going to put this down and put it together just like that. And then with the hot glue, it's going to stay in place. Okay, I promise. So I ended up making it after I finished this video. In fact, I do try it here, and I went ahead and I set a clear block on it in hopes that it would all come together and work. So anyway, we'll do that and you can see what happens. It actually does work. It's much more time consuming. I highly recommend anytime you're making rosettes that you use a hot glue gun. You can see my struggle here, right? It's real. So use a hot glue gun and you won't have these problems. It's kind of comical to watch. Anyways, if you're interested in getting my class to go, shoot over to my blog. Do that today. You have another couple weeks to sign up for it. But yeah, it's going to be a great class and it's really fun, and you get those exclusive videos and you get the card kits and all that good stuff. And there's lots of options. So no matter what your budget is, there's option there for you. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you have a blessed day. Come back again soon. If you want to watch other videos from me, click on either one of them that you see here. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.